All right. 4 o'clock. Another day, another dollar. We had two good trades first thing in the morning. And then we kind of sat around and watched the market until about 12. But we can't argue. It's a good day. So let's get to it and get on with it. All right, we're just going to go down the line now. We're looking at Bitcoin right now, and I'm just neutral on it. It's setting up a bull flag on the daily. 40,539, a break of that, and that's a good long. But I'm neutral right now, just watching that flag. The S&P, we traded down. We hit the 8-day EMA and bounced right off of it. That's nice. The momentum looks. I got to go neutral. I mean, we really have to move above here to kind of be bullish on that momentum. So I guess I'm just staying neutral on the S&P on the dailies. 60-minute. I mean, it's rolling around. I'm feeling kind of bullish. This is a bullish momentum. I don't see an entry, but we'll just watch that daily flag. We got the Feds tomorrow, so I don't think there's going to be much action in it. Looking at interest rates, not a whole lot has changed. I'm expecting interest rates to rise. I mean, we're really just neutral on it. It's consolidating right in here. Nothing to look at. Let's take a quick look at Apple. That closed above the 8-day. That's pretty positive. The daily momentum looks rather neutral, rather bullish, rather. And I'm neutral on the 60s. AMC. See you real soon. All right. So anyway, we're holding above that line, breaking this line on the dailies, and I say it's a wrap. Kind of neutral on the momentum here. I'm neutral on the 60 momentum, but the stock is still in a downtrend. We'll see which way it goes. It should make a lower low to continue that trend down. Amazon. Oh, Amazon had a nice move up towards the close. Close below that 8-day. That's a little ominous. Might come down. Probably looking for 335.66 area. Nvidia. I'm feeling neutral on the momentum. Just really indecisive dojis. It's still bearish on the 60, but that could turn around for us. And Tesla 2 broke the 8-day and the 30, and the 8-day is crossing the 30. It's feeling kind of bearish. Momentum's dropping off, but looks like it's flattening out. Bearish on the 60s. So that's it. That's the wrap. I take it all with a grain of salt because the Feds are out there. There's nobody really making a move. They're going to wait for interest rates tomorrow, and then the press conference is probably what's most important. So that's the short of the long. Watch your downsides, and good luck trading.